Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, probably 1/4 after or whatever. I just stepped out to go for a camera with a walk, and I was greeted to a lot of pouring rain, so we've been getting plenty of rain lately. I really don't think we need more for now, but we're being blessed with it. Everything's green and growing. Weeds are growing really well. A good dry day with a lot of sun would definitely make the garden grow well. I would show you a video of it, but I don't feel like getting wet anymore, so I just thought I'd do a quick panel out here. Hope everyone's having a beautiful day. God bless. Bye bye.